Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is questions and answers. Student, we have already finished these questions and answers with our chapters. Today we will do these questions and answer all together. Let us see today's topic at a glance. Our today's topic is questions and answers, and this is lecture number 11, and our SW will be 11 number. Our today's SW number is 11 number SW. Student, you can see here is 10 questions and answer. In our annual term, we have 10 questions and answers. So, we will discuss about these questions and answers today. So, let us start today's class. You can see here is a first question, A number question is daytime. What thing do you see in the sky? And the answer is we see sun in the sky daytime. Our next question is B number, nighttime. What things do you see in the sky? Answer is we see moon in the sky at night time, but we will write here only night time like our question. So answer will be we see moon in the sky night time. C number question is when do you sleep? Answer is we sleep at night. And D number question is when do you go to school? Answer is we go to school during daytime. And next is E number. E number question is when do you play outside? Answer is we play outside during daytime. And F number is how many seasons are there in Bangladesh? The answer is there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. And now G number question is in which season do you feel cold? The answer is in winter season we feel cold. And after that H number. The question is in which season do flowers bloom? The answer is in spring season flowers bloom. And I number question is write the name of 2 gardening tools. The answer is 2 gardening tools are 1 number spade and 2 number is watering can. And here is the last question and answer, J number. What does an artist do? The answer is an artist paints pictures. An artist paints pictures. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 11 number SW. And remember that when you will do your SW, you have to write down the SW number on top of your SW copy. And your SW will be question, here is 10 questions and answer, but your SW will be from A to E number. A to E number, that means A number, B number, C, D and E. 5 questions and answer. And remember that you have to write the whole sentence. In answer, you have to write the whole sentence. So dear student, I am repeating your SW. This is 11 number SW, and your SW will be questions and answers from A number to E number. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assign SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.